What's up, foodies? Today we are making a refreshing and elegant dish that is perfect for those hot summer days. Melon Carpaccio salad. This light and flavorful salad is not only visually stunning, but also incredibly delicious. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. They have supplied me with some amazing dairy from Avalon Dairy. So let's get into it. First, let's remove the rind from the watermelon and cut it into 1/4-inch slices. Then we're going to peel half a cucumber and cut it into thin slices. Now in a small bowl, combine half a cup of crumbled feta, half a cup of cottage cheese, and half a cup of crumbled goat cheese. Then mix gently until the cheeses are combined. Then we're going to toast a 1/4 cup of pine nuts until they're golden brown. In a small jar with a lid, combine 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of white balsamic vinegar, a pinch of salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. Close the lid tightly and shake vigorously until it's well combined. Alternatively, you can also just whisk this in a bowl. Now we want to make this all pretty and fancy. Arrange the watermelon slices on a serving plate along with the slices of cucumber. And then a 1/4 cup of sliced Kalamata olives over the watermelon and the cucumber. Then add the pine nuts we toasted earlier. Sprinkle on half a cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of arugula. Now sprinkle the cheese mixture we made earlier. Then just before serving, drizzle the dressing evenly over the salad. Serve the salad immediately, allowing guests to enjoy the beautiful presentation and combination of flavors. And there you have it, my beautiful, delicious melon carpaccio salad. I want to tell you about my new best-selling cookbook, The Food-Dee Odyssey, Totally Greek, which is now available. From mouth-watering moussaka to crispy cheese pies, every recipe is crafted with passion and love, inspired by years of working in Greek restaurants and my months of travels all over Greece. You can grab your copy in the description below. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, Food-Dee out.